gotta be shower proof, yo. Like, dang. Hey YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. We about to do some new things on my channel. On my channel. So this is the last Christmas gift I'm gonna show you guys, but I have another unboxing. Definitely, like I said before, the link will be in the description box. But this is the 13-inch premium ring light with tall tripod stand and phone holder. It comes with three color modes, 10 levels of brightness. Never had 10 levels of brightness. 360 adjustable stand and USB powered. That's perfect. Perfect. Y'all, I need this so bad because the ring light I have, it's kind of broken, y'all. I'm not gonna lie, because I don't really take care of it the way I should, because it's my only ring light. It's my only ring light and I drag it everywhere with me, and it's so huge. So thank you again to my mother-in-law and father-in-law, because they got this for me. And yeah, I needed it. I'm just so blessed because this Christmas literally was just things towards my mental health or my baby, my YouTube, you know? So the fact that people are just pouring into me this way is really amazing. Thank you guys again. I really appreciate you guys. But yeah, I needed this. So my ring light's huge. I don't need that all the time. For example, if I want to do a hair video in my bathroom, I don't need this big ring light. Do you know how hard it is? It'll be sometimes where I just don't film without the ring light, and I hate that because the quality of the video doesn't look as good in my opinion. So I'm just really happy, and like I really do appreciate them because like I needed this. I need this so much. So ooh, I'm about to break myself. I never think to get scissors. Never think to get scissors. Pardon me if I'm talking fast and stumbling all over my words. Heard you were leaving town. I thought I'd be the one to know first. This is so dope. Everything gotta be shower proof, yo. Like, dang. I swear companies do not like me. They know that I am challenged when it comes to opening stuff. Once it's open, I got it, but dang. Okay. So, hopefully I can get a thumbnail out of this. Y'all ready? Just for a second. I'll speed it up, because I don't want to open and destroy the whole box. I move too fast. Drip too hard, don't stand too close. You're gonna jump around. You're gonna mess around off this way. Okay. Ooh. Nah, get off of me. I'm so happy. Y'all, I don't know. I get the happiest with like, I don't know, I just like stuff. I like opening stuff, but okay. So I guess we'll start with the tripod first. Oh, yes. This is a sturdy tripod. I can already see it. Can y'all hear me over all the loud bags and stuff? I need some lip gloss. Yeah, like y'all was just gonna let me sit here and talk to y'all with dry lips. Rude. This tripod is pretty standard, which is dope. That's how you open it, if y'all didn't know. If you don't know, now you know. Okay, and this is how far it goes. Okay. Ooh, okay, hold on. Let me fix you first. So this is the bottom. This is the middle one. Oh, this is a pretty tall one. So that's how far it goes. And here we go with these boxes again, y'all. I usually have tape on my desk, but I just like moved everything into this YouTube room, so I don't have anything. And I have other things that I need to do unboxings of. So Yeah, my room is all over the place. Oh, it opens. Oh, this, yes, it's the perfect. I'm trying to keep everything over there. Okay. This is the perfect size, y'all. Oh. Okay. So we have the ring light. Okay, so I'm not really good with like numbers and stuff. So like when I saw 13, I really thought it was gonna be like mini. But this is the perfect size, y'all. Okay, so we have this. We're gonna screw it on like this. Come on, Shawn, screw. Am I screwing it right? No. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Okay, I like it right there. I like it like that. Okay. Okay, come on, Shawn. Now, okay, this is never coming off the stand. I'm letting y'all know that now. Because I don't even think I'm doing this correctly. I just said lefty loosey, righty tighty, and I still didn't do it the way I was supposed to. Y'all, I swear I'm not this challenged. I promise y'all I'm not. Okay. Okay, it's perfectly on. Now let's secure this part. Okay. Awesome. Okay, so that is dope. Let me put it eye level. I think you guys can see it, but nothing comes with a back piece. Do you like, what's the issue? Like, why are people not giving out back pieces anymore? I'm confused. Like, there should be no reason why I have to use. And you know what, iPhone, this is a bootleg one, obviously, but you know what, iPhone, they don't come with back pieces, so I gotta use this. Okay. Okay, so let's see light quality. Whoa. So yeah, that's dope. I'm trying to turn it down. Am I turning it down or am I turning it up, y'all? Okay, I was turning it up, obviously. So I'm about to turn it down all the way. Let's see if it's really 10. Like it said, what did it say? 10 levels of brightness. Y'all ready? Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh gosh. Okay, we're gonna put it at a, I don't even know what number this is. Okay, and then this is like, I said like, this is warm to me. This is a warm light. This is in between. Actually, I don't want to call that warm. Okay, for Shawn purposes, this is a, oops, turned it down again. This is a hot light, okay? This is hot, spicy orange, you know, orange tint. This to me is warm because it's a little bit, I think you might call this fluorescent, no lie. Not fluorescent, well, LED. Don't quote me, okay? But this one is like warm to me, in my opinion, because the mixture of the orange and the, you know, LED white light. And then this is white. This is the one I like to film on. But yeah, okay. Now let's get into this other stuff that they have. What is this? Whoa! I'm about to show you guys what this is. OMG. Okay, so this is another little holder one, but this holder is pretty, oh, my fault. This holder is pretty standard, so. Well, actually, no, this one is more standard in my opinion, but that one's pretty dope. But let's get into this, okay? I thought it was what I thought it was, but I didn't want to, look, didn't I say I wasn't taking this off? Okay. I thought it was what I thought it was. I really did, but come on, Shawn, come on. Oh, let me turn you off so you're not blinding people. Yeah. We're gonna be here for a minute. No, we're not. Okay. Yeah. This thing is dope. Okay, this is a little easier to put on. Tell me a ring light that does this. Tell me a ring light. I don't know if y'all can see it. Actually, I'm gonna take y'all off. Hold on. Tell me a ring light that stands this little. Oh yeah, we are in business. Look at the little mini stand. I'm in love. I am nowhere near disappointed. Y'all, the description will definitely be in the box below because OMG. I don't know how to act. I don't. Okay. Love you guys. I'm about to go play with my new toys. That's what I'm about to do. Love you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe. And this will be the last unboxing you guys will see in this outfit because I'm done with all my Christmas stuff. Well, I have one more, but y'all will see that tomorrow because it comes in. No, it comes in. Yeah, it comes in tomorrow. Well, yeah. I love you guys. See you later.